good. Smooth.
Oh my god.
That was good. There it is. There it is.
Oh,
there it is.
Holy duck.
Let it go. Sink it all the way down.
Oh my god, I felt that in my teeth. Oh
There it is.
my
There it
god.
is. Okay, we got Fabian here. 9 years old. Breathe in for me, buddy. All the way out. Sink it all the way down.
Oh, that felt good.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. Yeah, there you go. Wow, that was amazing.
I heard that over here.
Jeez. You're a big kid for 9, isn't he?
Oh, he is bigger than.
How much is he weighing?
About 155.
Okay, he's a big.
Yeah,
155?
About 150, 155. Yeah.
No
Yeah.
way.
He's
You weigh as much as me, man. Ooh, that was good. That felt good, huh? Sucks. This level's tough. Oh, stop it. I'm not even doing anything. Sink it down. Let it sink down.
relaxed.
Sink it. Good. There it is. That was the best. That was the best thing ever right there. God,
How did that feel?
You're gonna be. He's gonna be sleeping good tonight. Okay, go in.
Put your.
Yeah, it's just gentle. Fabian's gonna be feeling like $1 million after this.
That's gonna be a new kid coming out.
I know.
And I think that's what he was nervous
No,
about,
totally.
him being in pain.
Like people feel that crack, like ow, and they're like, oh, good. I'm just gonna do a little one.
I heard that.
That was nice, buddy. Let it fall.
Let it just
See,
relax.
that's
Close
good.
your
You're
eyes.
so brave, man. You know that felt good, didn't it? There you go. I told you. Let it fall. Relax. I got you, man. I got you. See? Good old Saturday adjustment here.
Yay.
And we're matching, so gotta relax for me. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
That was beautiful. Well done.
Thanks.
It's right up in there. You have to let it fall.
Oh my gosh.
That felt good.
Oh yes, it did.
That was beautiful. That's good. See how stuck that is in there, though?
Yeah.
So we are going to adjust. So we're going to come around here. Just let it fall. There you go. There it is. Okay, that was deep. Hang in there. And then this one I like to contact here. Let your neck come to the side here. There it is. Oh. These are clean.
Oh!
There it is.
Oh my god.
That probably got your whole hip too.
It did.
That was a big clunk too.
Oh my god.
This one's a little more interesting. It's a couple taps. There it is.
Oh!
There it is.
I'm nervous.
Okay, she is nervous. She is tense. And she's on video.
Oh no.
It's like the double whammy here. You comfy like this? Sink it down. Exhale all the way. Keep it going.
Wow.
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 That was good.
Wow.
It's a good start. We're doing good. Sink it. Ooh. Fall, you okay? You're okay like this?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm just gonna do a little bit here. There you go.
Just a little bit.
That was a lot of it. Yeah, you gotta relax your leg though. Just maybe close your eyes. You know.
Okay.
There it is. That was big. And good.
Am I taller?
It's already popping.
Mm-hmm. No.
Just gotta let it fall. You have to let it relax. Good. Got a little bit there. Did that go down to the butt?
My coccyx.
Did that go down to the coccyx?
I don't know what it did.
You nervous?
A little bit, but yeah, I'm in good hands.
this.
I'm in great hands.
You
so.
are in good hands. This is good. Let it fall. It's already popping, so.
That was the thing. He did all the stuff around it. He like got in the back here, maybe reach your
Wow.
You know, he did it did a few different things. He went up in the armpit.
That was great.
That was so bomb.
And I did it through the armpit, and I went,
Holy moly.
so.
Sink it all the way down. Full control.
Mm.
Ooh. Holy gosh, that was incredible right there.
Oh my God.
That was amazing.
It was. Woo.
Destiny here is on the traction table, so it's going to just kind of separate her spine. Feels good. And I really like to adjust people's mid backs on the traction table, because when it goes down and separates, that's when you hit that. So as it goes down, I sink it down like this. That was huge. Wow.
Right here, and then I can.
Okay, I stole this outfit from the sun. There we go.
Oh, mama. It must be the extra force, you know, from Captain America.
Oh, mama. Oh, man. Oh my gosh. This is great. Man. I'm gonna wear this all day.
You have to wear it all day now.
Oh.
You know, it makes me feel more confident when I wear this mask.
I think Alex is gonna go to Target after.
I might just have to steal it. Sorry. Delete's first time, technically. Came in from Montreal, Canada, so I got the pressure. The pressure's always on me.
Oh, wow. That felt so good.
Mom's freaking out. Let it fall.
Mm.
Oh my.
Wow. It feels so good.
Did you guys hear that? That was good.
Did you hear it?
Sink it down. Oh. That was huge.
Oh.
That's okay? You okay like that?
Mm-hmm.
Sink it. There it is. There it is. That was real good.
Oh.
Jeez. Okay. And we'll roll it.
Oh my God.
There it is.
Wow.
Here.
Yes.
Jeez. Everything needs to be moved properly.
Oh my god.
No,
That.
I sprained that ankle badly a while ago. I felt good.
Well, you needed that then. It's got a little ring dinger here. Just let it fall. There it is.
Oh.
So that.
I felt it.
Should go like this. Let's see if it goes. There it is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that was nice.
Oh my God, I felt it like all on my shoulder blade.
Yeah, that's where you wanted it.
Oof.
He's chilling. He won't bite you.
Oh shit. Dude, I don't know if I can get this take on me, man.
You're good. You're good.
I just let it drop and fall. Yeah. Oh god, his freaking head is right here.
Whoa! Woo! That felt weird.
That was good. Nice adjustment. He's bad. He is bad. Let it roll. You alright?
I'm trying.
Yeah, he's good. Breathe.
Oh! Holy smoke.
God damn. Let me get this mic here.
Dude!
Bro, that was...
Oh my god. Holy fudge. Holy fudge.
Those were good.
I felt like I needed that so bad.
You've been needing that probably.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There it is. Just relax.
Damn.
Jesus. That was wild.
Oh my god, I could sleep now.
That was... Okay, just relax for me. I know. Let's see. There it is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was good.
I need a nap after that.
Well, that's good that you...
Day.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you coming in.
Magic hug. Don't be shy now.
Oh, Jesus, that thing was
Actually, that's
that thing was deep.
Massages and everything.
right there.
Oh,
Ooh.
No. MRIs do. MRIs are going to do all
it
fast.
never gets old. That's great.
They can bill out 4 or 5 grand.
Ah,
Ah, God.
this is like the best decision I made today.
There we go. Perfect. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just completely relax.
Oh my god.
There
It actually feels quite good.
It feels pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. I can't believe that actually
That was
worked.
perfect.
Thank you so
So, what's been going on?
I feel like I can't get into the Christmas spirit. Like I feel like I'm stuck in like I don't know Halloween or I don't know. Stressful.
Okay. Yeah, it is. It's a stressful time of the year, that's for sure. Let's crack it out here, shall we? Let it fall.
I don't